Today's project, full roof replacement. Working under here is gonna be a pain. Working under here, it's also gonna be a tight squeeze. Yeah. All that's coming off. Because of the situation with the gate, we're gonna have to walk all these shingles from here to our dumpster. It shouldn't be an issue. That right there is the damaged pipe jack. You see that, folks? Look at that. If it's damaged like that, you can expect this. Look at all these pipe jacks. It's dry rotted. Yeah, we gotta replace the plywood here too.
What's going on under here?
Look at that. Sure enough, water damage. Look at that, folks.
Plenty of it.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's dry rotted plywood. If history repeats itself, this one's gonna be doing the same thing. So we have at least 4 sheets of plywood that need to be replaced here.
I cover dimensionada.
Make sure you put your netting over any kind of water source. You don't want nails, granules getting into here. It can get nasty. Yeah, this roof has a lot of buckling going on. You see the trusses. Some are higher, some are lower. Lift here, there, marking off all those spots right now. Make sure we get all of them addressed. Getting that plywood up. 17 pieces total. That's the problem with the MDX, it delaminates and you have to replace full sheets. 18 sheets of plywood on this home. It's all right though. We're getting on the synthetic. Today you're gonna be okay. This is huge with me, but I'd like to have my shingles cleaned up before lunch. That way we don't burn up the grass, damage the plants. We got our lines drawn, chalk lines put on. We had to disassemble this metal roof just so we can work underneath it. Ice and water over the pipes. Ice and water on the chimney. Let's go. Most distributors are not allowed to do this, but we got a little handout helping us get those shingles up on the roof.